AI Copilots. Here you go. Same structured format for AI Copilots. AI Copilots in artificial intelligence. Intermediate means advanced, human-AI collaboration systems. Introduction. Modern AI is evolving from tools into assistants that work alongside humans. Instead of replacing humans, these systems assist, guide, automate tasks, enhance productivity. These systems are called AI copilots. They act as intelligent assistants that help users perform tasks more efficiently. What are AI copilots? AI copilots are AI-powered assistants that support users by providing suggestions, automation, and real-time assistance. In simple terms, AI copilots equals AI assistants that help you do your work better. Example concept. User task means AI copilot means suggestions plus automation means improved output. Why AI copilots are important? AI copilots are important because they improve productivity, assist decision-making, reduce manual effort, enhance user experience. Without AI copilots, manual work means slower means less efficient. Key features of AI copilots. 1. Assistance. Provide suggestions. 2. Automation. Perform repetitive tasks. 3. Context awareness. Understand user intent. 4. Real-time support. Instant help. 5. Integration. Work within tools and platforms. AI Copilot architecture. Key layers. 1. Input layer. User action or query. 2. Context layer. User data and history. 3. AI engine. LLM or ML model. 4. Suggestion layer. Recommendations. 5. Action layer. Execute tasks. 6. Feedback layer. Improve over time. How AI copilots work. Workflow. User input. Down pointing arrow. Understand context. Down pointing arrow. Generate suggestions. Down pointing arrow. Assist or automate task. Down pointing arrow. Learn from feedback. Example. Conceptual. Def AI_copilot. Task. Return AI suggests improvements. Print. AI_copilot. Write code. Types of AI copilots. 1. Coding copilots. Examples. GitHub Copilot. 2. Writing copilots. Content generation. 3. Business copilots. Analytics and decision support. 4. Design copilots. Creative assistants. 5. Productivity copilots. Task management. Technologies behind AI copilots. 1. Large language models. LLMs. Understanding and generation. 2. Prompt engineering. Control outputs. 3. RAG. Retrieval augmented generation. Access knowledge. 4. APIs and integrations. Connect tools. 5. Context systems. User data awareness. Real-world applications. Software development. Code suggestions. Writing and content. Blogs. Emails. Office tools. Document automation. Customer support. Response suggestions. Data analysis. Insights generation. Advantages of AI copilots. Advantages include increased productivity, faster task completion, reduced errors, improved creativity, enhanced decision-making. Example concept. AI copilot means human plus AI means better results. Challenges of AI copilots. Challenges include over-reliance on AI, incorrect suggestions, privacy concerns, integration complexity, cost. AI copilots versus autonomous agents. AI copilots assist humans. Autonomous agents act independently. Comparison. Copilot means assist. Agent means act. Best practices. Use as assistant, not replacement. Human oversight. Verify outputs. Ensure accuracy. provide context, improve results, integrate properly, seamless workflows, monitor usage, track performance. Future of AI copilots. Future trends include deeper integration into software, personalized copilots, multimodal copilots, AI copilots in every industry, human AI collaboration. Example concept. Future means AI copilots in every workflow. Concepts learned from AI copilots. Understanding AI copilots helps learners understand. Checkmark how AI assists humans. Checkmark how LLMs are used in real applications. Checkmark how AI improves productivity. Checkmark how human AI collaboration works. Checkmark how modern AI systems are designed. Simple definition. AI copilots. AI-powered assistants that help users complete tasks more efficiently. Final summary. AI copilots represent a major shift toward human-AI collaboration. They enable smarter workflows, better productivity, enhanced decision-making. They are becoming essential tools in software development, business, everyday applications,